Hi everyone, I'm Austin. I want to read The Joy of Cooking for Millennials. Young people are discovering the benefits of cooking at home. When I first arrived in Taipei, I spent a great deal of time exploring the city. One of the first things I discovered was the vast number of cheap and delicious places to eat. I later learned that, for those same reasons, many young people preferred eating out instead of cooking at home. A change appears to be taking place, though, and the millennials are leading the way. According to one survey, more young people are starting to cook at home for three basic reasons. They can save money, eat healthy, and waste less food. Popular TV chefs are also getting millennials excited about learning some basic culinary skills. Many millennials viewing cooking as a form of entertainment and self-expression. They proudly post pictures of their culinary creations and invite friends over to share the cooking experience. Young people enjoy the process as much as the finished product and are willing to experiment. In true millennial fashion, they turn to their phones' food channels on YouTube for meal planning tips. Thank you for your listening.